This happens all the time. These bad actors, these nefarious individuals who are up to no good, they create what's referred to as a look-alike profile. Here's an invite I got for friend request from a guy named Alan. Well, I know Alan well. So if I click on this and look at this, it says it's Alan, but there's nothing here. There's little to nothing here. And that for me is a dead giveaway that someone has created a look-alike profile for Alan. So, and I can go verify that. Let's go up here and search for Alan. I'll bring his profile up and I'll block out most of the stuff. And you can see he's got a lot of friends, 6 mutual friends. And his last content actually was 31 minutes ago where he said he believes he was hacked. The reality is he wasn't hacked. The reality is this nefarious bad actor created a fake or look-alike profile. So here's what you do. You could very simply just hit the delete button. But what I really recommend you do is go back to the profile and go right here to the 3 dots and click find support or report. And what I recommend you do is report pretending to be someone, a friend. I'm going to type Alan's name in right here. Here's Alan right here. I'm going to hit send. Does this go against our community standards? I think it does. And hit submit. And now I've reported him as a fake. I can go to the next step. The next step right here is to block him. I can block this person and then confirm. And then I could say, done. More often than not, they're look-alike profiles. Again, when you find a look-alike profile, please report it as a fake. That's the quickest and easiest way to make the dirt go away. I'm Teddy, your social media guy. I hope this is helpful.